Hey, I'm Derek from Armadillo Composite Decking. To keep your deck looking great year-round, regular maintenance is key. In this video, I'll share essential maintenance tips, including cleaning and performing seasonal care. Additionally, I'll provide some pro tips, like using color-matched screws and plugs to give your deck a polished and professional look. Let's get started on maintaining and enhancing your deck together. So you've got your deck completely done and built. It's beautiful, looks excellent. You invite your neighbors over, they start walking on it. They got their kids with their dirty bare feet walking on it, bringing mud all over on your deck. How do you clean this thing? So what I recommend is using something like this, which is a soft bristle brush. This is almost the same type of brush that you would use to clean a boat, right? Something that's not going to be real aggressive, something that's not going to scratch the decking. And you can use that to get the dirt kind of brushed off your deck, right? Get that sucker nice and clean. And if you want to take it up a notch, you can use a mild soap, right? In tandem with this soft bristle brush. These boards are very textured, so this is a really good way to make sure that you're getting in all the little grooves, the little nooks and crannies, and getting the dirt out. You don't need anything real aggressive. You could use Simple Green, you could use Dawn dish soap. Really doesn't matter. And once you have your deck scrubbed to this point, what you can go ahead and do is grab your garden hose and just spray it off the rest of the way. You don't need a pressure washer, nothing fancy like that. Just go ahead and wash off the rest of the deck and it'll be good as new, if not even better. So Starborn Industries has a color match screw and plug for every color of deck board that we offer. They even sell a special tool that you use to pre-drill and get your screw head right to the right depth so that the plug fits in there nice and naturally and gives you a nice, smooth, almost disappearing finish when all is said and done. So right here he's using plugs for our Sandstorm color, which is this lighter color, and then he's using plugs for our Bourbon color, which is our darker color. And he's gonna go ahead and pop those in. And just like that, those holes disappear and you get a seamless finish. Regular maintenance keeps your deck looking great year-round. For detailed care and cleaning tips, as well as information on where to find matching screws and plugs, visit armadillodeck.com. Our comprehensive install guide has everything you need to keep your deck in excellent condition.